Hello beauties and welcome back to my channel. Jar Creates. Hope you guys are doing well because I'm doing fantastic. But today's video I will be giving you guys a few tips on how to cope with a loved one passing or anyone you like that meant a lot to you, But before we jump into this video, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel, press that bell so you don't miss any videos, give this video a fat thumbs up and comment down below. But let's go ahead and jump right into this video. So if you guys do not know, I posted a video of me basically coming back because I have been gone for over a month and I lost two of my grandmothers. So I'm just basically doing this video to kind of, go over my own emotions and any other person that's dealing with something like this, or if you already dealt with it or whatever, you might look back and think like, oh, I could have done that, it could have worked better for me or something. So first and foremost, I would like to say cry is like the most important thing, because holding your emotions on the inside is not a good thing. You cannot ball your feelings up, you cannot hide from emotions. Like, emotions are natural. That's what the human body does. We go through different phases of emotions: sadness, happiness, all of that. And crying is a good way to kind of give yourself that stress relief. That's basically what it is. If you don't cry, you're just going to make it worse, and it might cause some damage to your body, and you don't want that. Second thing, I would say kind of like come to a relief of the fact that they're gone. I know some people don't want to accept the fact that they're gone. Some people might get extremely upset about it or do something crazy for no reason because that person is gone, and they kind of want to, even if it isn't like a revenge type situation, because if the person died of natural causes, you don't really have much you can do. You just have to accept the fact that they're in a better place. And a lot of people can deal with situations while they're alive, and they might be more at peace when they pass away. And yeah, I know people think like, well, it's not fair, they're gone. That's how I kind of felt when my grandmother passed away. I felt like it just wasn't fair. Like, I just wanted to talk to her again and everything, and I felt like that would kind of help me be more at peace with it if I was able to talk to her again and touch her again. I mean, I did touch her when she passed away, but when she's alive. But yeah, you kind of have to just give yourself that sense of relief, because it'll kind of, like I said, give you that stress relief that you want and that you really need for your body. Because your mental health is important, but also like you have to take care of yourself. You're still living, so you can't just throw your life away after something like that happens. Some people might not be able to help it, but it's very important that you try to cope with it in the most healthiest and the best way possible. Third thing would be to, if you feel like you need to talk to someone, you can talk to a therapist, you can talk to a friend or a loved one, anybody that you feel will understand, or someone that you just know for a fact you can rely on to give you some strength and kind of distract you a little bit if you need like to distract yourself just for a moment. Like, you know that person likes to have fun, or just certain ways that they might try to handle the situation that you really love. Count on that person. Don't just talk to anybody, because some people you just cannot trust them. But if you can really trust that person, I would say talk to them. But a therapist, some people don't really like therapists because they don't really understand, especially if they're not going through it. And most therapists, they have a certain way of like getting in your head and trying to help you, trying to help you deal with certain situations, and it might not necessarily really help you. You feel like talking to someone that's close to you would help better. Fourth thing, I would say doing things you love. Now, me personally, I At first I didn't. I kind of just shut down and I stopped doing a lot of things that I like doing. I just felt like I didn't have a reason to do anything like anymore. I wanted to lay down all day and I just wanted to do nothing. Like I literally just wanted to just do nothing. And after a while I started to tell myself, you know, this is not healthy, this is not good, this is just making it worse. You're basically sitting in your own funk. So you have to get up and exercise. I don't know, I don't like exercising, but I mean, if you like exercising, do that. It makes you happy. Anything that's like a stress reliever, watching TV, hanging out with family, friends. If you like doing TikToks, I like doing TikToks. You could put on makeup and go out somewhere, treat yourself to a dinner, pamper yourself. You can do anything that you feel will kind of help you cope with it better. Do that. Things you love doing, listening to music, traveling, anything. Yeah, for a while I was just sitting alone in my room and I didn't really want to talk to anybody. I didn't want to do anything. I was just so out of it. And I also kind of like basically distracted myself from the whole situation, but not in a good way. It's like I didn't want to deal with the situation. So this will be the last and final one. The fifth one would be to feel. Allow yourself to feel and deal with the situation. Because sometimes people, they kind of just brush it off their shoulder. Like deep down they really care, but they don't want to admit to their self that they care. They don't want to show it to the world and make it known that they care that much about the situation. So at first I'm not gonna say at first, but I would say here and there I kind of just try to blow the situation out of my mind because I don't want to think about it. Sometimes I might see a picture of her and I might scroll past it really fast because I don't want to see it. Things like that. But it's not really good. You need to be able to deal with the situation and allow yourself to feel, because like I said, feeling emotions is normal. It's a humanly thing, and we are supposed to allow our bodies to do that because it really helps us. It helps your mind, it helps your soul, your heart, all of that. So that's my ways to coping, or it could be just different tips that I feel would really help you. If I left something out, you guys can let me know down below in the comment section, or you can just tell me things that you did personally for you to cope with a loved one's death, passing, whatever. And I just want to, you know, I'm interested. I just want to hear about it. And also, if I feel like I could do it to help myself, then, you know, you can help a friend out here. But hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you are new here, go ahead and subscribe to my channel and watch the last video. If you missed it, I will leave the link down below. Comment, like, share this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.